Hey, Liz from Timely here. I'm going to show you how to install memory for Chrome. The first thing you're going to want to do is head to the Ecosystems tab under Settings. You can do that by clicking this icon here. Once in the Ecosystem tab, you'll see 3 different types of memory available to you. Below that, you'll see the different time tracking integrations available. You only want to select one type of memory. If you install more than one type of memory, you might have a problem with duplicate activities on your memory timeline. Let's install memory for Chrome. Hover over, select Connect, select Install Memory for Chrome. It's going to push you to another tab so that you can complete the Chrome installation. Select Add to Chrome, select Add Extension, then select Connect. Now, here it will go ahead and ask you to sign in sometimes. For me, it already signed in for me. You're just going to use the same username and password that you would use to log into your Timely account. You can head back to Timely by selecting Timely here, or going back to the tab that you already had open and selecting Refresh. When you refresh, you should see that you are now connected to Memory for Chrome. Wait a few minutes for memory to start collecting the activities that you're doing on your computer and putting them onto your timeline. If I were you, I'd head to one of your favorite sites, start clicking and scrolling around to make it your active window. After a few minutes of activity in this window, head back to your Timely account and see what's been populating on your timeline. And that's how you install memory for Chrome.